Today's market flow gave us some really interesting signals across SPY, QQQ, and IWM, so let's break it down. Starting with SPY, we saw heavy dark pool activity around the 657 to 660 range. The biggest cluster was at 657.44 with $1.8 billion, followed closely by 652.21 at $1.5 billion. Option flow leaned balanced. The top calls were the 660, 661, and 662, while the top puts lined up right at the same strikes. 660, 659, and 661. The call/put ratio came in at 1.01, basically a neutral lean, no strong directional edge from the options market today. On QQQ, the dark pool focus was centered near the 580 to 586 zone, with the largest print being $580.6 million at 580.57. Option flow leaned bearish in the very short term. The biggest calls were 590 and 591, but puts outweighed them, especially at the 590, 591, and 592 strikes. That left the call/put ratio at 0.59, pointing to a bearish lean for QQQ heading into tomorrow. Now here's where it gets really interesting. IWM lit up today. The dark pool showed a monster wall at 238.34, with $1.4 billion in prints at that level. That's the type of liquidity level you don't ignore. On top of that, the option flow was heavily skewed toward calls. The top trades were the 235, 239, and 240 expiring tomorrow, totaling over $1 million in premium, compared to puts which only managed around $777,000. That gave us a call/put ratio of 1.38, a bullish lean. But the standout headline for IWM is the massive $164 million call block at the 205 strike expiring on September 19th. To put it in perspective, the largest put we saw was just $3.4 million at the 220 strike, expiring in December. That's not even close. This is one of the biggest single-sided trades we've seen in weeks, and it tells us where big money is making a stand. So to wrap it up, SPY is neutral, QQQ is leaning bearish, but IWM is showing both a massive dark pool footprint and a monster call block, pointing to a strong bullish setup in the small caps. That's the flow I'll be watching the most closely tomorrow.